Day 18 of 365 Days of Abundant Life series. 1 Peter chapter 1 verses 18 to 19. You know that God paid a ransom to save you from the empty life you inherited from your ancestors. And the ransom he paid was not mere gold or silver. It was the precious blood of Christ, the sinless, spotless Lamb of God. Today's topic title, God says, I have saved you from an empty life. There is an empty way of life passed down from generation to generation that largely goes unquestioned. But I simply cannot let you spend the capital called your life on what is trivial, fleeting, and ultimately of no lasting impact or worth. I intend to make your life count. I have paid what is of infinite worth so that you can turn away from what is worthless and live for what is meaningful, substantial, eternal. I'm not interested in tweaking the life most people take for granted, but in replacing it with something supernaturally significant. I don't want you to merely add Jesus to your established life, but to trade that vacuous life for one that will generate waves of impact now and into eternity. Before I start my reflection, so clarify ko lang, I am not an expert, so my apologies if minsan hindi klaro yung explanation ko. But this daily reading ko kasi is more of a daily journal and self-reflection. So I would highly encourage na in times of confusion, always seek guidance to God for understanding, and you could always ask your pastor, mga church leader nyo for clarification, and you can also do your own research, study, ganyan. Ako kasi, I am also just doing my best to get to know more Jesus then. So, baga, I am also on a journey of knowing Him and slowly transforming my life as well. Dahil, you know guys, kumbaga, I am also one of those lost sheep, no? Napariwara din na sheep ba? Then ngayon, trying to straighten things out. And this daily reading really helps me na mag-self-reflect, mag-meditate, and really get to understand God's wisdom na gusto niyang matutunan natin, get to know Him, ano yung gusto niya, mga plano niya talaga na gusto niyang mangyari para sa buhay ko, para din sa inyo, ano yung plano niya para sa buhay niyo, ganyan. So, dalawa yung context na understanding ko no, for today's message. So, first is, there were times in my life din talaga guys that I really did felt empty. Alam niyo yung kumbaga feeling ko ang busy-busy ko, ang dami kong ginagawa, lahat. Then ang ingay-ingay, ang daming ganap. Like, but deep inside, it did felt empty. Like I asked myself, ganito lang na lang ba talaga araw-araw? It's like, no, despite sa kabisihan sa buhay, sa ingay, ganyan, it felt empty inside. But when I decided na-realize ko lang, layo, ang tagal-tagal ko na din palang nalayo sa kanya, no, ganyan. And I decided to get to know Him back, welcome Him back in my life. Na-feel ko din talaga yung huge difference na despite sa mga life still have problems pa din every now and then, may mga iba't ibang pinagdadaanan, but there is really a huge difference despite sa mga circumstances sa buhay, there is still this inner sense of, peace and calm and joy kahit may mga pagsubok pa din every now and then. So, yan yung first context na pagkaintindi ko. So, I really did felt that God saved me from an empty life. Another context na ini-introduce for today's message is Adam and Eve's choice nung nag-disobey sila ba sa Garden of Eden. That introduced us to sin and death into the world. So that is why tayo as humans, we are really prone to sin and separation from God. But because of God's ultimate act of love, the greatest sacrifice when Jesus Christ was sent here on earth to save us, that ultimate sacrifice takes the punishment of our sin and washes away our yung kasalanan natin, offering a perfect atonement. And diba, pag nagse-celebrate tayo ng Holy Week, isa sa pinaka-highlight is yung resurrection. So God's resurrection symbolizes God's power to give believers new life. So raising us to heavenly places. So wala na talagang ibang paraan to receive salvation. Isa lang talaga yung paraan, and that is grace through faith. So, our salvation from sin is not earned by works, but it is a free gift from God received through faith in Jesus. So, a personal relationship to God is really important.